Tetanus. Introduction. Which of the following is not true about tetanus? Choose one of the following options. 1. Tetanus is a viral infection. 2. Tetanus is also known as lockjaw. 3. Tetanus can cause death. Correct. Tetanus is an infection caused by bacteria, not by a virus. It can be life-threatening. Tetanus often affects muscles all over the body. Select true or false. Correct. Often, the first symptom of tetanus is tight jaw muscles, but it can spread and affect muscles all over the body. You can get tetanus from a dirty needle. Select true or false. Correct. The bacteria that cause tetanus can enter the body through a deep wound caused by a dirty or reused needle. Jane got infected with tetanus. As part of her treatment, she takes some antibiotics. She starts to feel better, though she still has some pills left to take. Is it okay for her to stop taking them? Select yes or no. Correct. Jane should not stop her medicine. She should follow her doctor's orders. You no longer need the vaccine after age 6. Select true or false. Correct. Vaccine booster shots are needed later in life. The vaccine loses strength over time. A booster shot is needed around age 12 and then every 10 years.
Thank you for using Explain.